Good morning guys, in this video we are going to show how to shoot a slow motion video using Canon 200D or Canon SL2. This is applicable to Canon 800D also, that means Rebel T7i. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and watch till the end. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to note that we have to shoot the video at the maximum frame rate for getting the maximum slow motion. When we consider Canon 800D or 200D, the maximum FPS available is 60 FPS. If 120 FPS is possible, we can definitely make more slow motion videos. But in this case, we can consider how to make the slow motion video using 60 FPS. For that, open the camera in video mode. Now click the menu button. Now you can see shooting settings. Inside that, click on movie record size. Now you can see maximum available FPS is 50 FPS. Yes, we can make slow motion videos using 50 FPS, but 60 FPS is available. We can make much slower videos. For changing to 60 FPS, go back to menu. Now click on the function settings. Now select video system. You have two options given with NTSC and PAL. Now selected is PAL, switch to NTSC. As you can see, the selected video system is NTSC. Now go back to shooting settings. Here you can see inside movie record size, maximum 60 FPS is available. That means 59.94 FPS is available. Now shoot at 60 FPS and make it slow using any kind of software like Adobe Premiere or Filmora. So guys, that's all in this video. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.